Consider getting one of these sprayers that you would use in a garden or around your landscaping to do some weeding or feeding or whatever it is that you do with these things, possibly even some bug control. But what I did was I shortened the wand on this and the hose and took out the piece inside that causes the nozzle to spray rather than have it come out as a stream. And you probably can't see, this is another thing here. These are just some mats that I use that after I clean my boots, I can take my waders off and have a clean mat for my socks to set on rather than stepping on all of the gravel. So just to show you, all you need to do, and it looks like I already have this pumped up pretty good, is I'll clean my boots off and my waders of all that creek, sludge, sand, and other types of debris that you might pick up. Cleaning your boots off. Now, this is not my thorough cleaning, but I do want to get it off the surface of my boots and my waders. I'm not too concerned about the bottoms because on these waders, or these boots to my waders, they come off. The traction part, the skid, the felt insole inserts, whatever. But doing this will help save your waders, help them last a little longer. Obviously you don't have to do this, but if you want them to last, you can buy one of these for about $6 or $8 at Lowe's or Home Depot or wherever it is that you go for home and garden supplies. When I get back home, I will put these on my deck and hit them again with the garden hose and wipe them off with a rag. It'll just help these boots last a lot longer. The mat's going to protect the neoprene sock part of the wader so that you don't have gravel chewing at them and then putting a hole in the bottom to where you get leaks. Anything that you can do to prevent getting leaks is definitely the way to go. These are waist waders. I really like these things. They're made by Sims, and I think there's other companies that make the waist waders, but it's really kind of hard to beat Sims products. And there you go. Quick, easy way to clean your waders or pre-clean them before you get home and do a better job. If you want your equipment to last, you need to take care of it. Cleaning is a big part of it. Anyway, that's the end of this video. This is Mike. Until the next one, we'll catch you later.